Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy, behind the camera is Michael.
Hey.
And this is a little bit of Fanta that I'm going to be having. I'm so thirsty. Michael didn't even give me a chance to
take a drink.
Take a drink.
Take a drink. Take a drink. What are we doing today?
Hold on.
Delicious.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, excuse me about that. But there's nothing better than some cold soda.
That's right.
Or orange cola. Michael, why do you have that phone in front of my face like that? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. So what are we doing today?
So what I'm gonna do today is
all right.
It's like, let's say vegetable fried rice that is Chinese, but I'm gonna make fried rice Spanish style, Dominican style.
That's right.
It's called Chofan, Chofan or Fan, Chofan, Chofan.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I'll figure it out.
What it is like, you cook your white rice, it's already cooked.
Ba-bing.
You turn it off, and then you put your pan with oil.
Bada boom.
And then I'm gonna need like a little thing, Michael. Hold on. This is too loud on two. Hold on a second.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a plate.
Don't want to make the audience deaf.
And then what we're gonna do is,
that's a bowl.
guys,
Not a bowl.
I know, but I'm gonna need it.
Oh,
I'm gonna fry these 2 eggs in that oil.
All right.
Okay, guys? Just like that.
Look at that, guys. And I'm gonna zoom in. My zoom in skills.
I'm gonna fry them
All right.
like that. With a spoon, I'm gonna stir them, because nobody cares.
And make sure it's a spoon, right, Mom?
Yeah, exactly.
Spoon it up.
Scramble them in there like that. I really don't need to put any salt, but I'm gonna put a little bit.
All right.
What the heck, right, guys?
That's right.
It is what it is. Because we're gonna add scrambled eggs.
All right.
We're gonna add red onions.
All right.
Chopped red onions square.
Oh, look at that, guys.
One fourth of green pepper.
Check.
A whole jalapeno cut up and diced.
Double check.
And 3 cloves of garlic.
Triple check.
And then that's oregano over there.
That's right.
Okay. And
so you're gonna throw all that in?
Not right now.
All right.
We're gonna do this in parts.
And the rice is already done.
This is the egg. The egg is already done.
That's right.
Okay. Now the egg, I'm gonna take it out. Okay. We're gonna leave that on high.
That was so quick.
I really don't want to.
You had that on high?
Yes.
All right. Make sure you always cook the eggs on high, guys.
See? And then I'm gonna take the remainder of that egg. Be careful. And that seasoning that I showed you, I put it in there.
All right.
Along with some oregano leaves that I had in there.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, I need some oil.
All right, check. The dogs are having a
So what I'm
feast.
gonna do is,
A little bit of veggie.
Come on.
Veggie oil, veggie oil.
I'm just trying to open that. You put a little bit of
Well, that's okay,
oil
Mom.
in there like that. Okay, a little bit more. And we're gonna cook that.
Can it be vegetable oil or any kind of oil?
It's just canola oil. You can put corn oil, whatever kind of oil you want, olive oil.
Right.
When I started cooking, I remember with olive oil, remember guys?
That's right.
And it's just gotten so expensive.
It has.
I mean, and it's, you know what, and with the cost of the food that has gone up, every time I go to the supermarket, everything is up. Between 15 and 25 cents.
The cream
more.
cheese doubled.
I mean, the cream cheese, I remember the supermarket brand, I used to get 1 bar, 16 ounces of the cream cheese.
For 68 cents.
For 68. Then it went to 79 cents. Then it was 89. I'm like, you know what, Mike? 89 cents is good. Doesn't matter. It's still under $1, right? It's $1.74. So it went up like twice. I'm telling you. It's crazy.
What's going on? What's going on?
So
What's
this
going
is my
on?
onions, my peppers, my jalapeno that I put in there, right?
That's
Along with some canola oil. You can see the oil through the spices. And some
This is good
oregano.
for lunch,
Can you smell the flavor,
for
Mike?
dinner,
Smell
for
that flavor,
dinner.
Mike?
Yes.
So when you start smelling that, we're going to take the rice and we're going to start adding rice.
So you want to make sure you smell the onions and the peppers first before you put the white rice
when
in.
you start seeing the garlic going a little bit brown,
Yes.
but you don't want it to burn, you don't want it to get black or anything. You know what I'm saying?
So you want it to be just
So
right.
when you see the garlic,
Lightly toasted.
exactly,
All
and you
right.
can smell the garlic, that means it's time to
Smell it up, smell it up. I know the dogs can smell it, isn't that right? Woo!
So we have all these seasonings here together with the onions.
All right. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, Ma.
And then
Beautiful,
I'm gonna keep on adding the rest of
beautiful.
that rice. That's good like that.
All right. We got eggs
Got it right on
and
the other
tomatoes.
side. Hold on.
And what are we gonna make? What is it called again? Chofan?
Chofan. Which
Chofan.
is Dominican Chinese rice.
It's
I'm
Chinese.
thinking that
It's Chinese. No, it's Asian
Dominican.
cuisine. No, Chinese rice, Dominican style.
Dominican style, how people in Dominican Republic, you can put ham, a lot of people put ham inside, you know, a lot of people put mushrooms,
That's
you
right.
know. I mean, you can put any kinds of vegetables or meat. You can add meat, you can add whatever you
You can take
want.
away meat.
So of
you're a
course,
vegetarian.
because it's Dominican Chinese rice, you know that we're gonna use a little bit. So thank God I had a little bit left. Remind me to get another one of these.
Yes.
And then my other son wanted me. She's like, Mom, put some tomatoes in there.
Shout out to James.
So you know, a shout out to my son. Oh, and a shout out before I forget to my niece that is in New Jersey, Marlene. And Johnny, congratulations. And Anaia, the new baby, she's gorgeous. I like the pictures. I mean, you guys gotta see this baby. This baby is almost 9 pounds, which she reminds me so much of my daughter. When I had my daughter, because my daughter was just like her.
She was
almost
huge,
9 pounds.
guys. My
She
sister was
a big,
huge.
big baby, and that baby, God bless.
That's right.
Gorgeous. Keep the good work, and I love you. You know, I know I haven't seen you for a long time, but see us here. I love you guys, and congratulations, Johnny and Marlene, on that new baby girl. Okay. Okay. So with that, we're gonna get back to this
Delicious.
rice.
Delicious.
Exactly.
Delicious.
You see how it's frying? It's on high, right?
Fried rice. That's
See
right.
this on high?
That's right.
It's gonna stay like that.
All right.
And you see, that's why I had the tomatoes and that grainer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move it like that, see?
Also, you want to strain the tomatoes first so the water content doesn't make the rice wet.
It's not, of course. I took it out. You see, they were graining for a long time.
Got it.
Yeah, so you taste exactly out of the can. You don't want the tomatoes making the rice wet, you know?
That's right.
Exactly.
You want this
That
to
was
be
a
a dry
can of
rice.
tomatoes. By the way, it was a can of diced tomatoes that
That's
I got
right.
at the supermarket. It only cost me 44 cents, you know?
The only thing that hasn't gone up
But, you know.
at the supermarket.
No, exactly. And I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on the rice because we don't have, I don't want to put a lot of soy sauce
You know
in
what
it,
went up, actually?
you know?
Now that
So
we're
as
talking
you
about
see,
it, everybody, the
smoke coming
sugar.
out.
Comment down below and tell us if
Oh
the
my
sugar
God.
in your area has went up.
The sugar is
Our
up
sugar
there.
is
ridiculous.
insane.
Well, I buy the brown sugar, but even the brown, yeah, but our brown sugar is not that bad. We still get it like that.
$2.
Yeah, but
We
it's-
used to get it for almost like 89 cents. Yeah, 89 cents. It jumped. It doubled.
oh, not that one, Michael. That one was like $1 something. $1.68.
Mom,
It's
89
like $2.12 now. It's like $2.24. $2.24, right?
89 plus 89 is
Oh,
one.
so you guys saw me put the little soy sauce? What's up, Mike?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yep.
Chofan. Hold on.
Chopin.
Chofan, wait. I want you to taste. I'm gonna leave it there. I want it to toast a little bit. Here. Taste that little bit. The rice. There you go. What do you think?
Good.
Does it need any salt?
No.
No? Is it good?
Yep.
Okay. So we're almost turning it off, not yet. A little bit wet, so I'm trying to dry it. You can see. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. Okay? See that, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Like that? But look at Michael. Michael's just staring at me, people. He's like, hey, Mom, hurry up with that rice. He's like, wait his hand over there. But hey, it is what it is, right, guys? So you gotta wait, Michael. Let me take another drink. Gosh, give me a break, Nino. That means baby. Nino. That light wakes me up. There you go, see? Sorry, but this is how you make this, Mike. I know you're desperate that you want me to finish, but give me a second, okay, bud? It's almost done. And people, it's almost done. So you guys know what you guys gotta do. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and on Twitter and on Instagram, and like us on Facebook and look us up on Google Plus and on Pinterest and on What other place we are, Mike?
Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, Google Plus,
Tumblr,
everywhere.
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 There we go. So look how pretty
I was just letting you
this is.
talk.
So with that,
I said
guys-
Mom wants to talk today.
No, this is the end. I think I gotta put a little bit of I was gonna put a little bit of.
And by the way,
vinegar,
I don't want to go.
but
I
don't
always
wanna
like
put
filming.
Vinegar.
I like
I don't want
filming.
to put vinegar. How is it, Michael? With the thing?
It's delicious.
It tastes good. Okay. It
Yeah.
smells good though. So the only reason I have it here, guys, because it's fried rice. You know, and it's on high.
Look,
It's
even
fried rice.
the dogs are waiting for their
They are
piece.
supposed exactly to toast. So with that, guys, let me go like this, and I'm gonna let you guys go. And you know what to do. And I love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and do all that beautiful stuff. I want to put this here so everybody can see it. Michael, you can take pictures as I just tell everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you for following us and for being there for us and enjoying our videos and liking them.
That's right.
Belonging to our page. And I want to tell you guys to not drink and drive. And love your partner, love your husband, love your boyfriend, love your mama and your pop, and love everybody. Let's just love each other. There's too much hate out there. Okay, guys? And let's smile a little bit more often, okay? We all have problems, but guess what? We're still here, right? So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Take care of each other. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's
Don't forget
right.
to press that bell so you can get notified every time we put a video. And enjoy your chofan, which is vegetable fried rice Dominican style. Good night.